Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reset mobile settings in your Google Pixel 9 Pro. So to do the separation, slide up, scroll down and go to the settings, then scroll down and search for the option name. We're going to see system. Then scroll down and go to the reset option and the reset mobile network settings. You can erase eSIM, of course, if you wish. Reset settings, write your PIN. That's it. Now reset settings. And the settings of your phone is already standard. So your settings. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave a comment, or leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.